Hi guys, I wanted to come on here and do a quick video of my berry protein overnight oats. Now, everybody's doing overnight oats, but generally they're bland and they don't have a lot of flavor. So I wanted to show you one that is full of flavor and it's very tasty. You can make it on the go to work, or you can have it so that you can have something at home, as well as you can use this while you're camping. Prepare it ahead of time and put it in your cooler or your portable refrigerator and take it with you camping, and you'll have something tasty and high protein and healthy for you. All right, so let's get into this. The ingredients are, this is a protein powder, and the flavor is berries and cream. Okay, and I wrote down here 20 grams because that's how much is going to go into your overnight oats. Then, of course, you have to have some rolled oats or old-fashioned oats. Then I'm going to add in hemp seeds, and I generally buy this in bulk, and then I put it in a mason jar so it's easily accessible. Then you're going to have some type of collagen peptides, okay? So that's what this is. Then you need yogurt. Now you can use plain yogurt, you can use flavored yogurt, and that's what I'm using. I'm using the zero sugar mixed berry. I'm using plant milk. Now you can use whole milk, half milk, or whatever milk of your choice, but I'm using plant milk. I'm using actually oat milk. For a little added zest of flavor, you can add in a sweetener of your choice. So I'm using maple syrup. You can use agave nectar. You could probably use sugar, but I would try to stay away from sugar. It's not good for your body. But try to use a natural sugar. So agave nectar, you can use coconut sugar or something of that sort, but I'm using maple syrup. I'm going to add in some dried cherries. You can use cranberries, cherries, mixed berries, any dried fruit that you'd like, but I tend to like the dried cherries for that little, it's like a sweet and tart. Then you need a container. So I'm using this one because it's a wide mouth container, 16 ounces. So, but it's a wide mouth. So first I'm going to add in my oats, and I'm using the recommended amount, which is a half a cup. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of hemp seeds. For whatever size or amount of oats that you're using, use that amount of liquid. You can use more, but start off with what you have. So I have a half a cup, and I'm going to use the same half a cup for my oat milk. So you can use vanilla flavored, preferably unsweetened. You can use, I use oat because it doesn't have any, it's just plain. But you can use almond milk, but try to get it unsweetened if you can. And if you can make your own, that's even better. And it's not hard to do. After you do that, just give it a quick stir to mix in the plant milk. I'm going to add in the yogurt. Mix that, stir that in, and it will dissolve. It will become liquidy when you mix it with the plant milk or regular milk. But just stir it up until it's creamy. Now I'm going to add in my collagen peptides. And I just put in the recommended amount. So if you want to know how much I'm putting in, basically read the back for the serving size and put that serving size in. Now mix that together. Now I add in, and this is what really gives it flavor. I like this this brand. This is Bobby Flav or Flav City whey protein, and I like the fact that he has this, you know, berries and cream. So it really, I like the way my smoothies come out and everything. It just has a lot of flavor. So I'm going to do about 20 grams of this. You can use the food scale if you want to, or you can kind of just eyeball it for, it's basically a half of one of these. I'm going to stir this up, and this takes a little bit longer because it is a whey protein. If you want to, you don't have to, you could add a sweetener. I add a little maple syrup just to give it a punch. It's about a tablespoon. I add in the recommended amount for my cherries. So, or about half. The recommended amount is 40 grams per serving. I do 20. And stir that in. You have it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it has a pink tinge to it because it's a berry flavor protein powder. But I've tried this. I found this on YouTube University, so it's not unique to me. But I tried it out and I loved it because it really brought out a lot of flavor. Now, I do this because it is high in protein. First of all, the protein powder, of course, protein. Hemp Seeds has protein in it. Your collagen peptides is a source of protein, well, amino acids that make up the protein. There is protein in oats. So when you pull it all together, it's a pretty high protein snack or breakfast or however you want to use it. It's really good if you want to use it for a night snack after, dinner or something, or for breakfast, on the go, camping. I can see putting this in my Bouge RV refrigerator and pulling it out, and that way I don't have to prepare anything. It is just that good and very delicious, everyone. So try it and let me know if you like it or not. You could try different flavored yogurts. I try to stay within, since I'm using the berry flavor, I try to use a berry flavored yogurt. And then that's why I use the dried cherries, so that, so it will have, lots of flavor in it. And by the next morning, this is so good. And it will, right now, I don't know if you can see how it's liquidy. By the morning, it will solidify again. It will become stiff like yogurt once it goes into the refrigerator. But try it out. And just wanted to bring this to you because I just felt this was a great twist on an overnight oat that I hadn't seen before. And I saw it on, I can't remember the lady's channel, and I went and tried it out. Like I said, this company here, I think it's flavcity.com. You can go there. These are pricey. I will say that. These are pricey, but it is worth it. It's has great ingredients. I don't know if you can see any of that. Yeah. So he uses good quality ingredients, so you're going to pay. Otherwise, you could use a lesser one, but you won't find berries. You'll find either chocolate or vanilla, and then you got to find a way to flavor it. And I think if you want the best flavor, try the berries and cream, and his chocolate. I'm sure it's probably pretty good. I don't know, but I do know I like the berries and cream. All right, everybody. I didn't want this video to be too long. Just wanted to bring this to you. Thank you for subscribing. Please show me some love. Leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.